try to take a bigger paper. So before that, let me clarify you our future classes. Let me clarify our future classes. What we are going to see. Right now we are discussing the eukaryotic cell. Right now we are seeing the eukaryotic cell. In this, right now in this today's class, we are going to see the differences between the animal cell and the plant cell. Differences between the animal and plant cell. Today we are going to see this one. And tomorrow, what we will see means tomorrow onwards, we have to see each and every organelle organelle of a eukaryotic cell. Now, tomorrow onwards, we have to see. This is a lengthy topic of eukaryotic cell. What are those organelles? Means you already know all those organelles. We have to see about the cell wall. Cell wall के बारे में देखना होगा. We have to see about the plasma membrane. Remember, just on that day, prokaryotic cell. I mentioned you that I will be discussing in a deeply manner. यहाँ पर बोल दिया. Cell wall के बारे में discuss करना होगा. Plasma membrane गुరించి discuss చేయాలి. And after that, we have to discuss about the this your favorite one, that is the endoplasmic reticulum. We have to discuss about the Golgi complex. We have to discuss about the Golgi complex. We have to discuss about the ribosomes again. In this case, it is ATS ribosomes. And then we have to discuss about our favorite one, that is the mitochondria. Again, we have to discuss about the chloroplast. We have to discuss about the vacuoles. We have to discuss about the microbodies. We have to discuss about our main one, that is the nucleus. Nucleus के बारे में देखना होगा. And after that nucleus, we have to see about the chromosomes. Chromosomes also. We have to see about your favorite one, that is the lysosomes. So all this, from A to Z, we have to discuss each and every organelle. Each and every organelle we have to discuss, which we are going to start from tomorrow onwards. As I said that compared to prokaryotic, eukaryotic थोड़ा danger वाला topic है. सेल वॉल के बारे में देखना होगा, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के बारे में देखना होगा, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स, राइबोसोम्स, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, क्लोरोप्लास्ट, वैक्यूल्स, माइक्रोबॉडीज, nucleus, chromosomes and lysosomes. Some of the headings might have been missed हो गए, थोड़े headings तो miss हो गए होंगे. So each and every organelle we have to discuss in a deeply manner, like from the NEET point of view and MCET point of view. देखना होगा पूरा का पूरा. So this is from the tomorrow onwards. So the only a small wala topic that is the difference between the animal cell and the plant cell. After the discussion of this one, tomorrow onwards we will be starting this each and every topic. So just write on the heading this one: plant cell, animal cell, and heading between. Petkoni for 2 minutes. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, ma. Coming back to our topic, write on first pointer. Write on first pointer in this plant cell. A rigid cell wall is present. A rigid, strong, rigid means strong. Cell wall is present. A rigid cell wall is present. Plant cell के अंदर. Again, you may ask me, sir, why we are taking plant cell, animal cell as an example, sir? Why we are not taking any other cells? most probably we are taking these things because these two comes under the eukaryotic cells only. Eukaryotic के category में जाते हैं, and these things we are seeing everywhere. Animal cell तो आपको मालूम है, we are animals. You see lion, कौन सा भी animal ले लो, animal cell का है. And plants means you are seeing the plants only. Everywhere go and see, you are seeing the plants only. So that's why we are taking these two only, plant cell and animal cell. The first point in the plant cell is that a cell wall, rigid cell wall is present. In this case, this is the most important one, ma. Everyone listen me carefully. Here, cell wall is absent. Means if you take out our body, अपना body ले लो, अपना body में जो भी cell रहता है ना, whatever the cell is present in our body, in that cell the cell wall ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో ఆ cell wall అనేది absent ఉంటుంది. That you have to keep it in mind. Cell wall is absent, then who is present means only one thing is present, that is plasma membrane is present. Everyone listen me carefully. This is the need point, ma. This is a need pointer. पक्का ऐसे questions पूछेगा, ma. You will definitely ask this type of questions. Our cells, human being cells, not only human being cells, every animal cells. Cell wall, what are the cell wall is there? The outer layer ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో, that thing is absent in the animal cells. But that thing is absent in the animal cells. Only one thing is present, that is a plasma membrane is present. Only one thing is present, that is plasma is present now. Only one thing is present, that is plasma membrane is present. Now that you have to keep it in mind now. That you have to keep it in mind now. So plant cell के अंदर the plant cell, when you see the plant cell plant cell will have the plasma membrane. Plant cell will have the cell wall now. They will be having the plant cell will have the cell wall. When it comes to the animal cell, we will not have any cell wall. Now we will be directly having plasma membrane. This is the outer layer. The outer layer is called as the cell wall. The inner layer is called as the plasma membrane. That is a difference. There is a major difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. There is a major difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. Just write down these 2 points. And need point of view, pakka question wala topic hai, cell wall is absent. So coming to your second point, larger in nature. What are the plant cells are there? They usually larger. तो यहाँ पर तो उसका opposite रहता होगा, smaller in nature. सेल्स बैक्टीरिया अपना ह्यूमन बींग्स के सेल्स या एनिमल सेल्स थोड़े छोटे रहते, प्लांट सेल्स जो भी रहते हैं वो थोड़ा बड़े रहते. యానిమల్ సెల్స్ ఏమో చిన్నగా ఉంటాయమ్మా. మన ఏవైతే సెల్స్ ఉన్నాయో ప్లాంట్ సెల్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో కొంచెం పెద్దగా ఉంటాయి. their size is usually very larger. Their size is usually very larger. It cannot change its shape. It cannot change its shape. It cannot change its shape. And it can change its shape. 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 The basic reason why the animal cells can change shape and plant cells cannot change shape is that because यहाँ पर cell wall is present. Cell wall is not allowing the cell to change shape. Here as a cell wall is absent. Cell wall అనేది animal cell లో absent ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి cell wall जो भी है animal cell में absent रहता है बोल के, तो animal cells जो भी रहता है ना उनका shape change हो सकता है. For example, this is a circle now. We can change the shape into the triangle. Again, don't think that exactly this thing is going to happen. This is just an illustration, assumption. Triangle wala shape kaaba bhi nahi rehta. Just make you to understand. This thing can happen in the animal cells, but in the plant cells, circle रहा तो कभी भी उनका circle रहता होगा. अगर उनका ऐसा वाला shape रहा तो कभी भी उनका ऐसा shape रहता होगा. In the plant cells, why the basic reason is that in the plant cells cell wall is present. And in the animal cells, cell wall is absent. Now, that is a basic reason you have to keep it in mind. Wait a second. That is a basic reason you have to keep it in mind. That is a basic reason you have to keep it in mind. Wait a second. Coming to your fourth pointer, this is highly important. Fourth point. Everyone listen me carefully. Plastids are present. Plastids are present. In this case, they are absent. You may ask me, sir, what the hell are plastids? Plastids is a thing which is present only in the plants, and to clearly to say chloroplasm also. Clearly to say chloroplasm also. There is a chloroplast. Chloroplast are present, and there are. Let me give you clarification. Have you ever seen any chloroplast in the animal cells? एनिमल सेल्स में क्लोरोप्लास्ट ఉంటదా అమ్మా? एक बार बोल दो एनिमल सेल्स के अंदर वेरी सिंपल आंसर एनिमल सेल्स will never have any chloroplasm. Plants only will have the chloroplast. Understand या assume if the animals या ह्यूमन बींग्स को ले लो अगर अपने अंदर अपना बॉडी के अंदर क्लोरोप्लास्ट रहा तो if we people are having chloroplast inside our body then we will never be need to eat the food again. फूड खाने की जरूरत ही नहीं रहता. మనం ఫుడ్ తినాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు ఎందుకమ్మా జస్ట్ గో అండ్ స్టాండ్ ఇన్ ద సన్ కి నీचे बैठ जाओ what will happen our body if they're containing chloroplast our body chloroplast will be having and chloroplast will produce the food and food से अपना अपना ऑटोमेटिक डाइजेशन हुआ था so just understand normal common sense ले understand some of the people will be there who think that human beings will contain chloroplast inside them. The simple answer is that chloroplast is totally absent inside the human beings or the animals as well. So chloroplasts are one all of those things are that they are classified under one group that is called as plastids. So topic में enter होने को देखेंगे plastids बोलते क्या है etc etc. What are plastids etc. We'll see when we enter into the main topic. So understand chloroplast are plastids वो भी समझ लो. Same point there is a chlorophyll is present. Same thing same point basic point. Chlorophyll is present. अगर क्लोरोप्लास्ट रहा तो क्लोरोफिल तो डेफिनेटली रहता होगा. यहाँ पर कमिंग टू हियर सेम थिंग देयर इज अ ऑप्शन. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द पॉइंट ऑप्शन. You have to write down the point option. 6 pointer nucleus. Whatever the nucleus is there, nucleus lies at the peripheral end. At the peripheral end. In this case, nucleus lies at the center. Nucleus lies at the center. Nucleus lies at the center. Let me show you the diagram. This is your cell. This is your cell, and whatever the nucleus is there, Nama, the nucleus lies at the peripheral side. At the peripheral side, if you take the animal cell, animal cell में, the nucleus will lies at the center. The nucleus will lies at the center. There is a difference, ma. There is a difference between the plant cell and animal cell. So future में नहीं नीट में भी ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता हूँ माँ. ये वाला डायग्राम देके ये कौन सा सेल है बोल के पूछ सकता. He may ask you whether it is a fungi or whether it is a plant, whether it is an animal, or whether it is any bacteria, etc., etc. The answer is a plant cell. How plant cell? Because we know that the nucleus will present at the periphery side only. Periphery means borders, corners. Corner side lo ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి you can think like that, ma'am. So just draw the diagram also for the understanding purpose. वो diagram भी draw कर लो क्योंकि तो आप लोगों को peripheral end को तो समझ में नहीं आता. Nucleus lies, lies, lies at the peripheral end. Nucleus lies at the center. Nucleus lies at the center. Nucleus lies. Wait a second. Wait a second. Nucleus lies at the center. And coming to your next point, this is point again. 6 point. Coming to your seventh point. Centrioles. Centrioles are absent. Centrioles are absent. Now, if it is absent in this case of the plant cells, means they will be definitely present. उसमें absent रहा तो इसमें तो present is नहीं होगा. Present in animal cells. And now you may ask me, sir, what are centrioles? Now I cannot even explain you anything more. We have to go with the flow. When the topic comes, a centriole wala topic explain कर लूँगा. Centriole wala topic I will try to explain. Right now, as of now, you don't need to know what are centrioles, etc. If I try to explain the centrioles now, then topic बहुत deep पे चल जाना पड़ेगा. So I'm not going to explain the centrioles now. So as of now, just write down the point. Centrioles और option बोल के point लिख लो. उससे ज़्यादा अपने को कुछ भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. उससे ज़्यादा अपने को कुछ भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. And so, I mean, upcoming points. What are the upcoming points? Also, all these points you don't need now. Glyoxysomes are present. Glyoxysomes are present. Glyoxysomes are absent. Glyoxysomes are absent. Again, you may ask me, sir, glyoxysome. Same story, ma. No need to worry. No need to worry. होने के chances भी मत लो. When the topic comes, we'll see the very We will see the topic very clearly, man. Reserve food. Reserve food. Generally is generally starch and fat. Same thing. Either it might be in the form of glycogen and fat. Reserve food materials means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा food produce कर दिए तो body store करता ना वहाँ. Reserve food material for the future purposes. Future point of view के लिए food store करना पड़ेगा. So plants they will try to store the food materials in the form of starch and in the form of fat. When it comes to the animal cells, they will try to store the food materials in the form of glycogen and the fat. They will try to store in the form of glycogen and fat. When it comes to the this point, glycogen and fat, glycogen and fat में show करेंगे. Coming to your 10th point, cytokinesis. आपको मालूम होगा cytokinesis. What is meant by cytokinesis? Cytokinesis by cell plate method. Cell plate method. No need to worry. So what is the cell plate method, etc., etc. No need to worry. मा topic आने को देख लेंगे. By cleavage method. Cytokinesis is by cleavage method. Again, you probably know what is meant by cytokinesis. Cytokinesis तो मालूम होगा ना माँ. Cytokinesis means that is a division of cytoplasm. वो आप लोग पढ़ लिए होंगे. किसमें पढ़ लिए होंगे बोलो तो cell division topic में पढ़े होंगे. Mitosis and meiosis में पढ़े होंगे. Mitosis and meiosis में पढ़े होंगे. There you will come across this cytokinesis. So plant cells will always show what type of method means cell plate method ma. Animal cells they will show the method called as a cleavage method. These points are enough. These points are enough. ज़्यादा points है कि आपको confuse नहीं करने चाहता. I don't want to confuse, making people more confused. So what are centrioles? You'll see it in the topic when the topics come. Glycogen को तो क्या है कि topic आने को देख लेंगे. Starch क्या है कि starch तो आपको मालूम है. Reserve food material. Cytokinesis cell plate method क्या है कि when the topic enters we will discuss it very clearly. So one thing, one homework for you people. Homework for you people. You have to do one thing. You have to draw the plant cell diagram and you have to draw the animal cell diagram. Animal cell diagram draw करना होगा. And you have to submit today by 7 p.m. 7 p.m. तक submit कर दो मुझे. Plant cell का diagram draw करो, animal cell का diagram draw करो, and you people have to submit today by 7 p.m. 7 p.m. तक submit करने का try करो. 7 p.m. try to submit to me by 7 p.m. 7 p.m. तक submit कर. Then one more, I'm really sorry ma. Wait a second. Why I'm sorry, I will try to tell you.